Today I will show you how to prepare a completely natural and organic supplement for your garden using just two simple ingredients you already have at home: baking soda and yeast. In order for your plants to be lush, with strong stems, beautiful leaves, plenty of flowers, and an abundance of fruit, they need to be fed regularly. And today we will do that in a completely natural way. Pour 500 milliliters of cold water into a jar. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Mix everything together well and allow the mixture to sit for 10 minutes before use. Yeast is packed with vitamin B, minerals, and natural growth stimulants that plants respond to very well. When added to the soil, yeast significantly increases the availability of nitrogen and phosphorus, two of the most important nutrients for healthy plant development. As a result, plants fed with yeast produce more flowers, stronger growth, and higher yields season after season. Baking soda works as a natural protector. It raises the pH slightly around the root zone, creating conditions that are hostile to fungal spores and harmful bacteria. Regular use helps prevent root rot and keeps common fungal diseases, such as powdery mildew, from taking hold even in damp conditions. Stir the mixture you have prepared into 10 liters of water and mix well. This diluted solution will improve plant growth, boost the immune system of your crops, and increase their resistance to disease, drought, cold snaps, and other stresses they may face throughout the growing season. Use this supplement immediately after preparing it. Do not store it. Water your plants with this solution 2 to 3 times per month, applying it directly to the soil around the base of each plant. Friends, 2 simple ingredients from your kitchen shelf can make a real difference to your garden. Share this useful tip with your friends and family on social networks. Thank you, and I wish you a rich and beautiful harvest. If this was useful, do me a favor and hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this video and let me know where you're watching from. And if you want to see more natural home solutions like this, subscribe. I put out new videos every week. I'll see you in the next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda.